Hey, this is Ricky with Master Services. Today we're down here at UTC, down here in Chattanooga. We're actually doing a big lift project down here in a building. Right now we're over here working on another big area. We've already probably used today roughly 3,000 pounds of material. So the first thing we do when we actually get here first thing in the mornings, we actually get the truck started, and then we actually get that heating up and everything, jogging. While that's jogging, we actually get everything off the truck and we actually start drilling our 5/16 holes. That's the port that we actually use to actually put down in the holes to inject it. You can see that's the material. That's the poly. I mean, sets up like concrete, super lightweight. And then after we get that, we get the hoses off and everything, we get to work, but we actually use a digital level to monitor that lift. We don't go by any certain numbers. We just kind of go by to see if the concrete's actually moving or not. But we'll get to work. So the goal for this area is to actually bring this back up, touch the bottom of that wall. You can see how much it's actually settled. Right now, they've probably already got maybe 1 inch to 2 inches out of it on the lift. We're going to give it a go and see what it actually does. Thanks for joining us down here in the beautiful Chattanooga area. It's going to let you know we're going to be down this way a lot more, so looking forward to seeing you.